In this video, I am going to show you how you can forward emails from one Gmail account to another. First, open the Google Chrome application. Now select Gmail at the top right corner. Now tap on the settings icon at the top right. Then click on See All Settings. At the top, tap on the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. Here, tap on Add a forwarding address. Enter the Gmail address you want to forward emails to. Then click on Next. Now Google will run a verification process. Verify using your other device. Tap on Proceed to confirm. Click on OK. Now, open the other Gmail account. And now tap on the confirmation email and click on the link. Now tap on the Confirm option. After verification, go back to the other Gmail account. Now go to the forwarding settings. Select the option Forward a copy of incoming mail to. Scroll down and tap on Save Changes. And that's it. Now your emails will be transferred to the another Gmail account.